So imagine you guys, we went to the petrol station and found out it was the wrong one. So anyway, we're here. What is going on, you guys? We are, do you know what, I'll be honest, if you guys watched the vlog yesterday, right, I was in Brighton, had a long day, went to Soho House with my mates, and then yeah, had a long day. Anyway, in short, I was not going to come out today, but my boyfriend a little car meet and whatnot, so we're going to go and support. So we've got an R1 out, got my V4S. Guys, I'm knackered, I'm sorry if the energy's low. All I ask is that you guys actually subscribe to the channel, because I'm putting in a lot of work to do these videos for you guys and to keep it consistent. And best believe I am absolutely drained. That doesn't even express how I'm really feeling. I am drained. So guys, all I ask is you subscribe, show some love, support your boy. So yes, we're riding. You guys, yes, so we're gonna ride, we're gonna meet at the service station, meet my boys there, gonna go for a little ride, meet some of the cars. If you don't know already, obviously my boy ahead of me, he had the Aventador, Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. I think that was probably the same time I was driving the Hurricane, the first gen Hurricane in yellow. If you may have seen it on Instagram, I don't know. Anyway, that was, yeah. But yeah, obviously we're back on the bikes. We got cars there at the moment, but I mean there's no point driving the cars in like 1 hour 20 of traffic. So, or not, or more actually, because they closed all the roads down. So we are in fact on the bikes. That hurt my, wow, that really hurt my junk down there. Oh, that killed. So yeah, we're riding the bikes, no traffic, and yeah, I'm kind of over cars for the minute, I'm not gonna lie. Still drive them enough on when I need to, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get some fuel. That sounds amazing. I love the exhaust on that bike. I rode that bike recently, guys. Imagine I was filming a video, my GoPro just screwed up, lost everything, corrupted. So I have to film my first ride again. Sort of, yeah. Guys, we're going to fill this bad boy up and be on our way. Jeez.
3 weeks later.
Oh boy, that had been the most. Jeez. Easy, mate, easy. Don't swing over. This one, a loud exhaust freaking saves your life, man. It helps a lot. Cannot wait to get my one sorted out for this, guys, I'm telling you.
Many months later.
Jeez! Damn, they're looking good. And the R1. Hell yeah. We out in force today. Well, at the moment, you'll see what we got coming. You'll see. You'll see. You guys will like it. Anyway, map time. Guys, we're near, I think, is this V4? I think it's V4. I drove here recently, so I should technically know this. Yeah, this is it.
They're gonna come in here. Well, just sit down and chill, bro.
Yeah, we'll chill out.
Jimbo dropped his bike yesterday, innit?
What's that, man?
Jimbo dropped his bike yesterday, innit?
What, the H2?
Yeah.
No way.
It went like that, bruv.
What do you mean?
He got, I think he was in gear or something. He was in gear.
Yeah.
It was like that. He left it in gear on the hill, put a clutch in, started it up, and then he let go, and he went too fast, and he got off the bike and went boop. No.
Is it bad?
Not as bad as mine.
Thank goodness. Oh man. That's not good. Yeah.
Seconds later.
So imagine, you guys, we went to the petrol station and found out it was the wrong one. So anyway, we're here with them all now, so it's all good. My mate's got his mad ass SV out. My mate's got his Hurricane Spider. A lot of old trends here. I might get back on the car scene. I might. We'll see. Fucking hell. What car's Uzi in?
seconds later.
Yep, all coming in now, yeah. This way.
Spin around.
Yeah, we'll spin it.